So this morning I am in Hiroshima, which is behind me over here. We're just waiting for the tram to go up to the Hiroshima Peace Memorial, and then we're going to go wander around Hiroshima and learn a little bit more about the city. So let's go. So we've just visited the Hiroshima Peace Memorial, and it was rather graphic, rather shocking, and it's just amazing to see that despite people knowing the impact of nuclear weapons, people are still insisting on nuclear weapons, which makes no sense to me whatsoever. And now we're going to wander around the Peace Memorial Park, which is what you can see behind me, and just to go and have a look at the Atomic Bomb Center as well. When President Obama came to visit, this was the very lawn that he did his speech on. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful blue skies today as well. Lovely. So the memorial has been created to create a straight line to the Atomic Bomb Center. You can see it just through there. Atomic Bomb Center right there. Well, it's a shell of it anyway, and some beautiful cherry blossoms right above. So this is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now post atomic bomb. Just literally been stripped of every detail and feature. Hiroshima Castle, which is behind me just there. I'm just about to go in. So this is actually a replica of the original castle, because the original one was destroyed by the atomic bomb in 1945. But this is apparently quite a faithful replica, so we should be able to go inside and go and have a look around. So let's go. at these guys, they're absolutely massive koi fish. Oh, so pretty, look at them. And I don't think my camera, oh there they are. My camera's even picked up the sea turtles. They look absolutely. So these are the foundations for the Hiroshima Imperial Military Headquarters, which were then destroyed by the atomic bomb. Another day, another city, and another Pokemon Center. Here we go. Let's go check out this one. So I hope you enjoyed that little look at Hiroshima Castle, and now we are off to visit another Pokemon Center. We've been to the one in Kyoto, we've been to the one in Tokyo, and now we're going to the one in Hiroshima. So you walk through the kids department, and you follow the Pikachus, and there is Pokemon Center Hiroshima. There's good old Pika saying hello as usual. Pika. A Pokemon Center. Hiroshima. Just stopped off for lunch, and I'm going to have vegetarian pancakes, which are the speciality of okonomiyaki. So okonomiyaki is a speciality for Japan, and I found a place that was vegetarian okonomiyaki, and it's a restaurant called Nagatia. So I'm really excited, it's going to be so cool, and they're actually going to cook the food in front of me, I think. I'll come back to you. So I've just realised that they actually put your food on a hot plate to keep your food warm, and that's why you have a hot plate in front of you. Not that they cook in front of you. Arigatou gozaimasu. I'm so excited to eat this. It just looks. So that was really good food, and now we're about to head into the shopping district and do some shopping. And there it is, right behind me. Oh my god, this place has loads of board games. Wow. I don't think I've seen a shop selling board games in forever. I have found a pet store, and oh my god, look at him! This little guy! He's too busy with his board. This is so cool! And look! It's more here! Oh, look at you! Look at you! So cute! Oh, napping! Oh, the cuteness is just insane. Look at this one! I've been shopping, and now we are in the Shukensen Garden. It's like a botanical garden right in the centre of Hiroshima, and we're just about to go and have a look around, so let's go. Just look how gorgeous these flowers are. It's so pretty. Absolutely lovely. Gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Point of the Shuken Garden, and you can see the garden behind me. It's really beautiful. It's got loads of little bridges, lots and lots of pink flowers, like incredible amount. It's even got cherry blossoms, which are right there. And I'm standing on the highest point, which is meant to represent Mount Fiji. So it's almost like a Zen garden, but a botanical one. I just think it's really beautiful. It's very, very pretty. And you can just take the little bridges all the way around the entire path. One thing I've realised in Japan, wherever you go, whatever you do, you'll always find a red gate. And look at this one. This gorgeous building is the tea house, which they use for tea ceremonies. Really, really pretty. I'm at the observation tower and I'm high above Hiroshima, so that's Hiroshima all the way around behind me. Honestly, Hiroshima is probably one city in Japan that's really surprised me. I just never expected to like it. I don't know why, in my head I just thought it was quite rural when it's not. And I just think it's an amazing city. It's full of hope. There's clearly a lot of people here who want the best for it and doing the best to build a community here. And I think that in itself is just incredible. And the architecture is just absolutely amazing. I mean, right behind me at the moment, they're building a ramp park, so they're actually going to have a skating concert here. So there's a lot of work happening here, and I think that in itself is just incredible. So let me just show you around and show you around Hiroshima from the top. So this is a skate concert that I mentioned. So they're having a skating tournament. Right down there, that's the castle, Hiroshima Castle, which is what I was visited earlier today. And then this is the whole of Hiroshima, and it is absolutely stunning. Hang on, let me just show you a bit more. So this dome here that you see, that is actually a stadium that they've got here. So they hold like a lot of sporting tournaments and concerts and stuff. This is the T-bridge. So when I was at the Hiroshima Museum, I learned that this was actually what the Americans were targeting when it came to dropping the atomic bomb, which is why this became the epicenter and the symbol for Hiroshima and the tragedy. And that is the atomic bomb center, which is where I was earlier today. And then this is the Memorial Park, is just opposite, just to give some context. That was around there, which is where I was. And there's the actual museum. Just incredible. It's incredible to see Hiroshima from high above up here. I also forgot to mention that Hiroshima, so this end is all just mountains, and all the way around you can see the mountains. And then when you get to the opposite side, that's the ocean down there. So the big tall one, I think it's that one, or that one. One of them. These are all islands. So these are all islands on the coast of Japan. And one of them is Hiroshima Island, which is what I didn't get a chance to do today, but that's where the deers are and the famous red torii gate is. I quite like my little birdie. I shall name you Special, because you look a bit special. And I screwed you up. Hiroshima by night. So pretty. All the lights are coming on. Love the city by night, I really do. And look, you see the sunset just about in the distance. This is Mr. Dumbo, well, a Japanese version anyway, Mr. Sato. I hope you enjoyed this little look into Hiroshima. I'm just going to leave you here with all this peaceful glyph music as I go off. See you tomorrow. Bye!